Welcome back to the Goat channel. This is Cooking with Church. We're gonna cook some fried egg rolls with chicken inside of them. Fried, deep fried, so we can get fat. It's gonna be great. First off, we're gonna take our 2 chicken breasts and stick in our water. It's a good looking chicken breast. Here's another good, these are some big old chicken breasts. Stick in our water. You can make it hot water to start with. All you're gonna do is turn it on high. Once you turn it on high, we are going to boil it for about 30 minutes till you can basically pull it apart. Once you pull it apart and shred it, we'll do the rest from there. So after it gets done boiling, we'll be back and we'll go from there. So when your chicken's about done and before you stick it in a strainer, you can go ahead and get your broccoli slaw out. This is what we got. And pour it in a bowl. So you pour the whole thing in your bowl. After you strain your chicken, shred your chicken, pour it in with your broccoli mixture. Alright, and then you want to go ahead and mix it together a little bit. And then after that, we got our teriyaki sauce. Our soy sauce. We don't measure here, you just pour what you think's right. Soy sauce first, teriyaki second. It doesn't really matter which order you go in. And just a touch more soy, I think. Then, after you mix that up, these are your egg rolls, your wraps. So mix these up. Basically, you just want to get your chicken and your broccoli spread out throughout the sauce, and then so whenever you put it in your egg roll, you can evenly distribute it. Alright, that's good to mix. Wash your hands. I wash my hands constantly in the kitchen, so. So before you do the egg roll part, you want to put your oil in your pot, and you don't have to start heating it yet. We use the finest peanut oil, low sodium, low salt, low calorie, low fat peanut oil you can get. Just plain, we use canola oil, cha-ching, cheapest brand you can get. So you want to fill it up in your pot, and I'll show you that. I'll show you how high I fill it. Alright, so let's start on our egg roll portion. So you want to get your wrap I already tore one. You don't want to tear one. Lay it on your pan, kind of in a diagonal fashion. Put a little, there's water here. Put a little water around the rim, the outside edge. Get you just a little bit of the stuff. You fold your front edges towards you over it. Flip over one time. Throw your edges in. Both edges, and then continue flipping over. We can use this broken one still. Don't fill it too full. I think that's what I did the first time. You'll probably have a little left over, but you can eat the broccoli slaw mixture by itself or heat it up. You don't have to use it all. So flip it over, flip your edge over. There you go, roll it up. You got to get it looking kind of like that. Then as you can tell, our plate. Alright, you can start your oil. I put it on high and drop it to 8. There is all our egg rolls on our plate just like that. And you will have leftovers, which you can eat. Set some paper towels aside because you want to drain them.